day, viewers, and welcome to the DM Health News Update. Under the program, Your Health, Your Wealth. In a critical health advisory, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, popularly known as NAFDAC, has issued a stark warning regarding the illegal distribution and sale of substandard insulin syringes in Nigeria. According to an official statement published in the agency's website, the counterfeit medical product in question, know it, insulin in syringe 40 IU, that is the 29 gram, possesses a severe risk to diabetic patients. This follows concerns raised by the Association of Community Pharmacists of Nigeria over the continued use of the outdated 40 IU insulin syringes, despite the substandardization of 100 IU syringes for human insulin administration. NAFDAC clarified that the 40 IU syringes were initially approved for use with the learned animals' insulins, which were available to both 40 IU mil and 100 IU mil strength. However, with the transition to human insulin, now uniformly manufactured as 100 IU mil, the use of the outdated syringes presents a high risk of dosing errors, potentially leading to life-threatening complications. The agency retreated that the 40 IU mil syringe is no longer registered in Nigeria and cautioned healthcare providers, pharmacists, and the general public against the use. Meanwhile, NAFDAC's Director General has called for stricter legal measures to combat the rising influx of substandard and false-filled medical products in the country. She stressed the urgency of legislative collaboration to strengthen penalties for offenders, highlighting a concerning case where an individual was caught trafficking 225 milligrams of tramadol, a dose capable of causing fatal harm, yet faced a mere 5-year sentence or a 250,000 fine. She argued that such penalties are grossly inadequate, stating, "If you kill a child with bad medicine, you deserve to face the full weight of the law." NAFDAC continues to work closely with the Judiciary and the National Assembly to push for harsher sanctions against those involved in the circulation of false-filled drugs and medical products. For diabetic patients and caregivers, the agency advises immediate discontinuation of any 40 IU mil insulin syringes and urges the public to report any suspicious medical products to the authorities. Next, in a bold move to address the persistent flooding that has plagued border communities along the Ogun River, the Ogun State government has announced a comprehensive plan to create additional tributaries and drainage outlets across key wetland areas, including Isheri, Kara, Wawa, and Aripo. The Commissioner for Environment, Dr. Ola Orisanya, made this relevant during a high-level consultative meeting with residents of the Ogun River Basin communities at Riverview Estate, Isheri. He outlined that the project, set to commence next month, is carefully planned phases aimed to provide a sustainable solution to recurrent flooding, which has severely impacted residents over the years. Acknowledging the potential impact on some properties, Dr. Rusanya emphasized the importance of community engagement to ensure a smooth and inclusive implementation processes. He highlighted previous government-led flood control measures, noting that last year's dredging of the Opera River successfully reduced flood retention time from 6 weeks to just 3. Further underscoring the government's commitment, he disclosed ongoing plans to complete the full dredging of the Opera River in Majudum in Ikorodu, where it connects to the Lagos-Langon. This initiative, alongside the creation of new tributaries, is expected to significantly enhance water flow and reduce flooding across affected areas. In response, the chairman of Ogun Lagos River Basin Communities, Mr. Olarewaju Akinde, expressed renewed confidence in the government's intervention. He commended the Ministry of Environment for its consistent efforts, stating that the engagement had reassured residents of the administration's resolve to make the communities more livable. As the Ogun State government gears up to implement these ambitious projects, residents are urged to collaborate with authorities to facilitate a seamless execution that will bring lasting relief to flood-prone areas. Well, finally, in a decisive move to safeguard public health, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, has announced an immediate ban on the registration, importation, and distribution of multi-artemethyl lumefantrine dry powder for oral suspension in Nigeria. The regulatory agency, in an official statement released on Monday, cited compiling scientific evidence indicating that the reconstitution form of this anti-malarial medication becomes unstable over time, leading to a gradual decline in efficacy. This instability, NAFDAC warns, possesses serious health risks, including ineffective malaria treatment, increased complications, delayed recovery, and in severe cases, fatal consequences. As part of this directive, all locally manufactured and imported variants of the products are affected, with the agency stating that no new applications, renewals, or variations for the formulation will be possessed henceforth. NAFDAC has also mobilized its zonal directions and state coordinators to conduct nationwide surveillance operations to identify and withdraw these products from circulations. Healthcare professionals, pharmacists, importers, and distributors have been instructed to cease all transactions involving the affected medication, that is the artemethyl lumefantrine. The public is urged to remain vigilant and report any cases of continued sale or usage to NAFDAC through its official reporting platforms. In line with global regulatory protocols, these developments will be communicated to the World Health Organization, which is the WHO Global Surveillance and Monitoring System, to enhance international awareness and compliance. NAFDAC reaffirms its unwavering commitment to ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceuticals available to Nigerians, emphasizing that protecting public health remains its topmost priority. Well, friends and well-wishers, this is all we have for you today. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to track this developing story. And don't forget to click on the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diaspora Digital Media, for more updates. Until next time, I am Nenye Michael Inezine. Bye for now.